Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply makeup on CapCut PC. So select your video and go to enhance, go to makeup. You can add you can adjust your face too, and adjust this facial beauty shape. What about face? Oh, this is to smoothen your face and stuff. And this is to edit the shape of your face. So you are going to select makeup here, and you are going to choose which makeup you want. There is set, which includes eyelashes, eyeshadow, and lipsticks. Lipstick. You can also choose just eyelash. Let's see if we can just zoom in a little bit and view it. This one's Salt, Wild, Western, Little Devil, and Internet something. I don't know. I'm going to choose this one. Then an eyeshadow. I'm going to try to find one. Maybe this innocent one. And lastly, we have lipstick. I think I'm going to choose the soft pink one. You can also adjust adjust the opacity, here too. I'm just going to choose soft pink for this one. And that is it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button about the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!